See, yeah, thank you. See, South Odisha is a diverse region which is rich in tribal heritage and natural resources and cultural diversity. So it's a beautiful region. And as far as the Southern Odisha Development Council is concerned, yesterday Honorable Chief Minister has declared the task force and three cabinet ministers and five MLAs are there. And from BJD, I am representing for the Southern Odisha, and our key perspective will be to look after the seven districts altogether to reach to make sure that the incoming days how we can develop the blocks which we will take some pilot villages where we can develop the infrastructure of like road, health sector and electricity which are they lacking these days. So this will be our key focus.
So you will be preparing documents to present at this meeting when the meeting will come?
Yeah, absolutely. And as far as our Supremo beloved leader and ex-Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik is concerned, you know, he represents also the Southern Odisha. We'll take his inputs. His vast experience will be highly essential for this project. So I'll be going and taking his suggestions and will be making sure that what vision he is having, we'll make sure that those points will be coming across in this task force opportunity.
Only the Western Odisha Development Council is there in Odisha, not only not Development Council in the south is not there. Now the government is going to plan for that. Is there any requirement?
Absolutely, because see, as far as Southern Odisha is concerned, there is highly dominated by tribal areas and people live in hilly areas. So their livelihoods and their infrastructure should be always developed. See, that's the reason they have forming this development council. So Western Odisha has been doing since many years. So in coming years, once the SODC will be formed, we'll make sure the main focus will be upliftment of the livelihoods and the ecotourism, and you say that health sector will be developed in these regions, especially the southern tribal areas. Thank you.